In this section, we'll describe the basics of order taking, starting with the screen itself and the method of taking orders and collecting payment for your customers. To begin, select the Take Order button from your screen. The main Take Order screen is divided into 4 areas. The green section, known as Menu Pad or Tape, holds the current customer order in detail. The top right portion of your screen holds your complete menu in groups. The Menu Pad control buttons allow you to edit, delete, or change items on the current guest check. We'll also be describing a number of the order control buttons on the lower right-hand side. Placing orders begins with selecting the correct menu group. The top 4 menu buttons represent the standard EA Bravita menu. We'll describe gift cards and adding points in a later session. Ordering items or specialties may include selecting sizes, milk types, and flavors. Ordering includes selecting items, sizes where appropriate, perhaps milk types, and then sending to tape or going on to the next drink. In this example, we are selecting an item, its size, a milk type to go with it, a flavor, and finally sending it to tape or adding to the open order. At first that can seem complicated. Let's try it again. For an espresso drink, we need only choose the drink, the size, and hit Send Tape or Next Espresso. For a milk drink, we can choose the drink itself, we can choose the size, the milk type, and flavors where appropriate. These selections can be made in any order. You can choose size or milk type first. Selecting Send Tape after the last item brings us back to main screen for payment. Selecting the Quick Cash key assumes the customer has given us exact change. Your system is set up to accept cash, check, credit card, or gift cards as payment. To collect an order, simply touch the Collect key. The Cash button is defaulted. Enter the amount tendered, and touch the Tender button to compute the change. To accept the check, change the pay method to check, enter the amount of the check if greater than the sale, and hit Tender, which will allow you to compute the change. To accept a credit card, select the pay method credit card, hit the Authorize button, and swipe the card. Once the card has been approved, you'll return to the payment screen where you can add a tip if appropriate and tender the transaction. Redeeming a gift card works a lot like a credit card. Scan the card, enter the amount of tip, if any, and tender the transaction.